Southern Luzon State University College of Agriculture.
Which is center of development and excellence and perfect environment for learning and meeting new people and friends. Students are also exposed to various fieldworks, trainings, and activities. And they are molded by the use of different facilities.
Its graduates are in demand in many organizations, corporations, and government agencies in the Philippines and abroad.
Its courses are also important with various benefits and opportunities.
Ang agriculture ay napakagandang kurso dahil siya yung pinaka-backbone ng ating economy. Kung wala magsasaka, wala ding ibang mga industriya na mabubuhay, wala ding magaling na tao, kung wala pagkain, wala magaling na doktor, wala magaling na engineer, wala magaling na mga government employees na mabubuhay. Lahat sila ay umaasa sa agriculture.
Naramdaman ko kung paano tumulong sa farming, kung paano maging isa sa umaambag sa pagkain na binibigay sa lahat ng tao dito sa Pilipinas. Doon ko nasabi na tama yung pinili ko.
Invest in youth, to invest in farming, to invest in the future.